Many people love to grow their plants at home. After all, this activity is very rewarding and good for you in many ways. However, taking care of plants is not always an easy task. Therefore, many people end up not even trying this activity, which can be considered a hobby. Whatever the reason, one of the first things you should pay attention to when planting seedlings is the quality of the soil. Soil with few nutrients can make plants weak and prevent them from growing properly. Today, many people resort to the use of fertilizers, which despite being readily available, can be toxic to the environment. If you're thinking of starting a garden or already grow some plants at home, we have a very interesting tip which will improve the quality of the soil in your garden in a completely natural way. The best part is that it's very simple to do. All you need is an egg and a banana. If you prefer, you can use only the eggshell. The combination of these two ingredients will provide your garden with all the nutrients it needs without having to resort to fertilizers. To get started, grab a shovel and dig a small but deep hole. Place the egg and bananas in the hole. Then take the plants and flowers you want to plant and put them in the hole, covering them with soil. The potassium from the banana and the calcium from the eggshell will provide the plants with the necessary nutrients to grow strong and healthy. Soon you will notice that your garden will be even more beautiful with this incredible natural fertilizer. Try it and tell us about your fantastic results in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.